Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix your Discord is not opening into your Windows 11. So first you just need to come over into your search option and going to search for Task Manager. If you click on that, then you'll find a bar over here and going to search for Discord. Here you can see here is our Discord, and if it's not working then you just simply click on that and then you will get an option called End Task. Or you can just simply select this and going to click this End Task. And now if you try to open the Discord, I think your problem will be solved. But if it's not yet, then you just need to simply come over into your search option over here and then go for Discord. Here you can see here is a Discord, and here if you come over to install it, you can simply uninstall this. If you just find out Discord, here is our Discord. And if you're going to install it, just simply install this. And you can see your Discord is downloaded and went out from here. And now what we're going to do, we're going to install Discord another time. For that, we just need to delete some of files from our PC. So you just simply come over into your search option and going to search for run. If you click on a run and if you open the run, you just need to type %app data. And you just need to give % another time and then click OK. After there will be a file open, and if you just go for this file called Discord, if you just delete it, you can see it's deleted from here. And if you go app data another time and then if you go for the local, you can see there will be another file called Discord and you just need to delete it another time. After that, what you need to do, just simply go for your Chrome browser or any of your preferable browser and then go for search for Discord and going to install the Discord from here. You can do it from the Google Chrome browser or any of your browser. Also, you can do it from the Microsoft Store. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.